Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your HTC Desire 20 Pro, for the first you have to get the application to transfer data. So I'm going for the Play Store and click on the search pool and type here CLONEit. We are going to get this application to transfer data, and of course on the second smartphone you have to do the same. And when you got this application on the both smartphones, you can open it. And you have to accept all of the permission on the both smartphones. Click sender on Android phone, tap set, turn on location, then just go back and click sender one more time. On your HTC you have to tap receiver, accept permission, and just turn on location here. And as you can see, we are back in the settings, not in the application like on this Android phone. So we have to open the background apps and move for our application. Then click receiver and tap search again. Right now we have to wait until they find each other. And right now we have to tap on this Android share icon, and we can connect in the two ways. We can scan this code, but also we can input the password manually. So we have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the code, click allow, and then just scan it. Accept the request. And right now, if you want to send all of the data, you have to select all of these icons and click start. Here you got also the size of the selected files and estimated times. There's 61 minutes, but of course I'm not going to wait that much, so I'm going here for the details, and I think that I'm going to send some music, maybe these two songs, and I'm going on select other stuff. Click start, OK. And as you can see, the transfer is complete, so we can check files that it is on the smartphone. So go for the files, and it will be probably in the downloaded files right now. And yes, as you can see here, we got our two songs. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.